Hello and welcome to Whizz Kids Online. My name is Sophie and today we'll be exploring the concept of surface tension by making a water bug. Now water bugs live in salt and freshwater environments and they're unique because they can walk on water. Now why does this happen? Well, there are two reasons. One is that water bugs are covered with a coat of microhairs that repel water and that prevents water droplets from weighing them down. The second has to do with the water's surface tension, but we'll talk about that a little later on. So let's make a start. To make your water bug, you'll need a bowl of water. I've just added some food diatomine to make it easier for you to see. Some scissors, some wire, something light, not too thick, some tape, and googly eyes to decorate your bug. Okay, let's make a start. So first, take your wire and you want to cut 3 lengths of wire, making sure that they're all the same size, like this. These will make our bug's legs. The next thing you want to do is twist them in the middle. So make sure you've got them all even and then twist. Okay, so once you've twisted it, it should look like that in the middle. The next thing we want to do is space out our legs and curve them. So I'm going to space them out like this. And then I'm going to curve them like that by doing a little flick with my thumb. Okay, you need to check whether your bug sits evenly. So to do that, you just pop it on a surface and you can see my legs are all skew, so I need to fix them to make sure that they all touch my table here. Okay, so once you've made the adjustment and it looks the way that you want it to look, you can add your googly eye. So I'm going to get a bit of tape and I'm going to stick it to the top here where my twist is. Now I've used double-sided foam tape, but you can use any tape. And then take my googly eye and I'm going to stick it on the front. And so we've got our bug. There he is. Okay, let's see if it floats. So I'm going to get my bowl of water, get my bug. I'm going to gently lay it onto the surface of the water. Excellent, it floats. So if you find that yours doesn't float, you might just need to adjust the legs a little bit. Okay, so why does it float? You might remember at the start of the episode that I mentioned the surface tension of the water. And that's just a way of saying that there is a pulling effect at the water's surface, and that happens because water molecules are slightly attracted to one another. And so in our experiment, you can see that there's a thin film on the water's surface that makes it very difficult for a light object like our water bug to break through. So you might want to experiment and make a water bug with a thicker wire, maybe like a paperclip. Do you think it would sink or do you think that it would float? Have a go and see what you find out. If you'd like more information about surface tension and water bugs, have a look at the links in the caption. Hope you have fun building your water bug and making it float. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.